Elizabeth Warren is trying to attack you right now, especially if you are in the crypto space and if you are a US citizen. So you need to know this stuff, especially my American friends out there. This is what she tweeted today. It's not very friendly. Crypto companies are spending millions building an army of former defense and law enforcement officials to lobby against new rules shutting down crypto financed bad guys. I can't say that word. This revolving door boosts the crypto industry, but endangers our national security. Very, very interesting. The revolving door. Where have we seen that before? I think 2007, 2008. Remember that revolving door with all those criminal bankers? She also has these bills that are anti-crypto written by who? Wall Street bankers. This is a revolving door. You know, these are people that have lost touch with reality, but they're smarter than that. I don't think Elizabeth is a dumb person. I think she's very smart. I mean, considering that she made off a salary of $265,000 a year, she made $67 or $68 million over her time in office. Very smart, isn't it? It's because she's very corrupt and we all know who she's getting paid by. Now, there's a really interesting tweet here with James Lavish. He says Elizabeth Warren and a few eager politicians want to ban people from owning or using Bitcoin. BlackRock, Invesco, Fidelity, and all these other guys want to make investing in Bitcoin easy for anyone listing it on a public market exchange. Now, I don't think that's going to happen. Unfortunately, I think what's going to happen is they are going to raise the barrier of entry for people in the United States to get into crypto. I think it's going to be very difficult for people. But the good news is, and if you've been paying attention to this channel for a while now, you'll know that we teach about decentralized exchanges, even Thorchain. You'll be able to trade on a decentralized exchange, native Bitcoin. That is incredible. All right. So you don't really need, if you understand a little bit about the crypto space, you don't really need to worry about this too much. But if you do, or if you don't understand how to use a decentralized exchange or how to keep your own keys, you are screwed, in my opinion, especially the longer this goes. I mean, think about it. Back in 2016, I could literally get on a centralized exchange, put a fake email address, some stupid password, and I could get on no KYC. Look where we are now in 2023. Do you think it's really going to get better? Of course it's not. This is what I've been warning people for years now. This is only going to get worse. So this is why we post on our learningcrypto.com site, the home for the CT Club, how to use decentralized exchanges, what decentralized exchanges that we are using, and also what type of coins we are buying for our portfolio that have been doing really good as of late. And lastly, if those people that still believe that we are going down for some reason and are going to short this market, let's just go over this. BlackRock met with the SEC once again today to discuss the Bitcoin spot ETF. This is now, the SEC has met 24 times with Bitcoin ETF applicants, including 5 times with BlackRock. This is passing. And we are in a bull market as well. And we also have a halving coming up. I don't understand people that are shorting this market. Yeah, maybe you might win occasionally, but the majority of people are going to lose money. But if you want to know how to dollar cost average, once again, I encourage you to check out the link below for the CT Club, and we will teach you how to do just that. And we will teach you how to actually do well in this market. That's all I have. Please like and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.